Why is Bosnian kingdom history so disputed? Imagine trying to piece together a puzzle where some pieces are missing, others are from different puzzles, and everyone has their own picture of what the final image should look like. That's pretty much what studying the history of the Bosnian kingdom feels like. The story is full of twists, turns, and conflicting accounts, making it a puzzle that historians still work to solve today. The Bosnian kingdom started to take shape in the late Middle Ages, evolving from a semi-independent state called the Banate of Bosnia. Even though it was officially under the Hungarian crown, Bosnia had a lot of independence and expanded into areas that are now parts of Croatia, Serbia, and Montenegro. This mix of control and independence makes it hard to say exactly when Bosnia was fully a sovereign kingdom. Different sources sometimes see it as a vassal state, other times as an independent power, which leads to disagreements about its true status. Religion adds another layer of complication. Bosnia was home to Catholics, Orthodox Christians, and a unique group called the Bosnian Church, which was often accused of heresy. These religious differences shaped alliances and rivalries, and each group viewed the kingdom's history through their own lens. Some saw it as a Catholic stronghold, others as a center of Orthodox influence, and some saw it as a land of religious tolerance. These differing views make it tough to create a single, clear story. Geography also plays a role. Bosnia sat at a crossroads between powerful neighbors like Hungary, Serbia, and Venice. Each of these neighbors had their own interests and claims over Bosnia. Hungary wanted to control it, Serbia had influence in eastern Bosnia, and Venice was interested in the coastal areas. Over centuries, these overlapping claims created a confusing record of who controlled what and when. Each power told its own version of Bosnia's history to support its goals. Then came the Ottoman Empire in the 15th century. When they conquered Bosnia in 1463, it marked the end of its medieval independence. But it also changed the story. The Ottomans brought new cultural and religious influences, which later historians and national groups used to shape their narratives. Some saw Bosnia as a victim of conquest, others as a land of cultural mixing. From the perspective of Southeast Europe, Bosnia was always a place where East met West, Catholic met Orthodox, and different empires fought for control. Its history is a story of resistance, shifting alliances, and complex identities. Because of all these factors, uncertain sovereignty, religious diversity, and competing claims, historians have different interpretations. That's why the history of the Bosnian kingdom remains a puzzle with many pieces still debated today.